let's learn about shapes. There are two types of shapes, plane shapes and solid shapes. So in this video, we are going to learn about these shapes here. Properties of plane shapes, that is, how are we going to identify which are plane shapes and which are solid shapes. Plane shapes are closed figures. They are also known as flat shapes. A plane shape can be made up of straight lines, curved lines, or both. So when we are doing a plane shape, we can use a straight line or a curved line to draw them. They have two measurements, length and breadth. So they are also known as 2D or two-dimensional shapes. So now let us quickly look at few plane shapes. Different types of plane shapes: square, circle, rectangle, oval and triangle. So these are plane shapes. Now let's learn about them in detail. Square. A square is a four-sided figure. All its sides are equal and it has four corners. Rectangle. A rectangle is a four-sided figure. It has only opposite sides equal. It has four corners. Circle. A circle has no sides and it has no corners. Oval. An oval looks like an egg. It has no sides and it has no corners, just like circle. Triangle. A triangle is a three-sided figure. All its sides are equal and it has three corners. So now all these were the plane shapes what we learnt. Now let us quickly see what are we going to learn further in this video. We will be learning about solid shapes.
Properties of solid shapes. These shapes are solid or hollow. You can hold them in your hand. They have three dimensions, that is length, breadth and height. Three dimensions, that is also known as 3D.
Let's see the different types of solid shapes that we are going to learn today. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere.
Now let us see what are these. Cube. A cube has 6 faces. All the faces of a cube are in shape of a square and it has 8 corners. And how many edges do a cube have? It has 12 edges. Here you can see the edges are marked in green, the corners are in red. Now let us see a few examples of a cube. An ice cube, a cardboard box and a block, a building block. These are few examples of cube. Cuboid. Now a cuboid also has 6 faces. All the faces of a cuboid are in shape of a rectangle. And how many corners does it have? It has 8 corners and it has 12 edges. So you can see the markings, the corners are in red and the edges are in green color. And few examples are a bus or a van, a pencil box or a tiffin box and a fish aquarium. Okay, so these are a few examples. Now this is a cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces. One is curved and the other two are straight. It has 0 corners, so there are no corners. And how many edges does it have? It has 2 edges. So the edges you can see there in green color. Few examples are a water bottle or a can, a drum and a mug. These are few examples of cylinder. Cone. A cone has 2 faces. One is curved and the other is straight. It has 1 corner and it has 1 edge. So some of the examples are an ice cream cone, a tip of a pencil and a birthday cap. So these are some of the examples for a cone shape.
Here, it has 1 face, that is, it has 1 curved face and there are 0 corners in it and there are no edges. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed learning about plane shapes and solid shapes in this video.